You guys were working right there on I drove by real quick. I heard
I see these cars on the avenue following each other. You're gonna blow up your engine. Those straight six. How you liking being at the car show, Nico?
It's good.
Which one's your favorite?
The 64.
Because it's yours?
Yeah. I like the suicide door.
Yep, suicide doors. And those seats look comfy. This would be the car to drive to Vegas in. Don't mess with it, Nico. Just leave it. Looking clean. And it smells good inside there. Don't touch it. To the engine. They do got chrome for the straight six. Bottom line. Here in California. Poco loco. Tony Meggs. Nineteen 1939 Chevy Master Deluxe. Suicide doors. Even got seat belts for the little ones. Got the suitcases packed up, ready to go. Got the coffee. Tony's looking good. The Chevrolet tips. Going way old school. Nosotros. Doing it big. Got the travel stars. Fastback. Got that moon roof. Gotta have something to stay cool. Got that plush upholstery. You can sleep in this car. Big room. Missing a chrome strip. It's in the making. Swoop around. Strictly show.
You're stubborn.
With them old school rims. That's right. Oh, you guys don't know nothing about them T-tops. You ain't ready. Got that heart shape. Steering wheel. Strictly show. Even got the cup holders. There you got that airbag switch. Pattern paint. 80s plate. I think those blue ones were 80s. I don't remember. True memories. Coming out this Independence Day doing it big. Video ain't doing it justice. It's a showstopper, show winner. His trunk might not be big enough for his trophy. Here we go. Black on black. Little blue and purple pinstriping, looking good. Got that 64 Impala Super Sport. Little tint on those windows. Got that switch box. Got them Raiders black on gray upholstery. The Impala SS. Cars only people dream of owning. Uh-oh, we got that Raiders truck here. Doing it big. This one's Nico's favorite. Got the Dodgers, got them Raiders dies, got that Felix the Cat. With a little gangster mirror. Got that AC. Oh, you guys don't know nothing about them dice. You ain't ready for that. Off to the next one. Uh-oh, now we at the bikes. Got the big wheel. I used to ride one of these as a kid. It was green. It had two wheels in the back, with the big wheel in the front. Okay, here we go. We got that 63 wagon patterned out. I don't know what this club is called. I believe Yoquitas, Ventura, California. You know, you don't see too many wagon lowriders out there anymore. It's got that low, it's got the hot rod tires, big wide tires. So you know he's got something under that hood. He ain't showing though. That wagon living right here. This is it. This is show, camping, drag strip, all in one. Looking good. All right, 63 convertible. Some people are convertible, some people are hard tops. Hard tops you can put the patterns, convertibles with. Uh-oh. Do you know what that is? Real car people know what engine's sitting right there. You got them skirts laid. Black on red. Another Yoquitas Car Club, I believe. Someone asked me one time, how does the hardtop bracket to so it doesn't fly up on the freeway? There's a hardtop bracket for the, not the hardtop, the convertible bracket, I mean. It's that level some would only dream of getting to with our cars. But here we go right here. Laid. Plush seats, comfy. Cup holders. Some people are cup holder people, some people ain't. Me personally, cup holders. Gotta have your beer somewhere, you don't want it all over your lap. Look at that. Cook your steak on that one right there. Another Yoquitas, Turk, California. Got them window blinds. For you that don't know, it is a super sport. Turas only does it like that, super sports only. All others, well, sell them to the desert people. Somehow only thought that was on the 65s, the actual handwriting super sports, but I could be mistaken. Man. 63. It is a super sport for you that don't know. Just no patterns, nothing really fancy. Chrome is clean, rims looking good. Yeah, be careful with a car like that. Liable to get divorced. Wife would take it. No, Nico. Get divorced, your wife would take your car, huh? We got here Chelo's yellow 64, 3-wheel. For you that don't know this car can hop. And he ain't afraid to make it do it. It don't dance. That's what I call this car the bunny, because he can just, engine don't work, hop this thing all the way home. 3-wheel it, and just walk it home. All original paint, super sport. This is it right here when you need to look good, but you're coming with it to the show, the hopping contest. Here we go. Here we are. Got that 62, sound like Tony's were connected. Missing door locks. Got them Mexican blankets laid. And you guys all know you cruise this thing though. You know, might not be perfect show, but this bad boy's little got its touch of class. For all you Impala people, you know what that is right there. Let's just see those wings, and those cat eyes. There's no other like it. Yes, it is a Impala, and it is not in the 60s. It's got that blue on white. Let me know. Just leave a comment. What do you guys think about the white tops, or should it all be solid colors? Some people love the white, some people love solid tops. A lot of people are in the convertibles. What's your taste? But for me, that's my taste all day long. Okay, folks, you just saw that 59. Next year up. Here we go with the 60. Still got the wings. He's got that green on black, looking good. Yeah, original color. Got the rose gold or copper. I don't know what you guys want to call it. To each his own. Gangster white walls, got it lowered. Yeah, if you don't mind. Just try to get the wings, bro. A lot of people want to see that wings.
Yeah, you're good.
And it's the 60, the first year when Paul started doing the 3 lights. I think. There you go. Got that original style upholstery. Still got those ashtrays. Speaker. Before they went to the modern 62, 63, 64 speaker. It's a lot bigger, more chrome. It's just beautiful cars. That wraparound windshield. Hopefully don't get behind a semi, because you're getting a crack in that windshield. You're coming out the pocket with a few of your checks to catch up to pay for a new one, if you can find one. Got that rose gold mirror bracket. Got that rose gold shifter. Beautiful. Glad to have that in my garage.